Hello guys! Pang-service award ba ang paglilingkod mo sa ating Panginoon? Sabi ng Revelations chapter 20 verse 12, I also saw all the dead people standing in front of the throne. Every one of them was there, no matter who they had once been. Several books were opened, and then the book of life was opened. The dead were judged by what those books said they have done. Mahalaga ang ginagawa natin habang tayo ay nasa lupang katawan dahil kasali yon sa tutuusin pagka humarap na tayo sa ating mahal na Panginoon sa final judgment. Hindi ito dapat panakot, dapat itong pang-engganyo dahil lahat ng magagandang ginawa natin ay nakalista doon. It will be an awarding ceremony except that some will have more awards than others. Lahat tayo ay may pananagutan, magkakaiba nga lang. Ang dami at laki pero binibigyan tayong lahat ng Diyos ng karapatan at tungkuling tumulong. Excellence is expected. Kung kakanta ka sa choir, galingan mo na. Kung magtuturo ka, kabisaduhin mo na or nasa puso mo na ang pagtuturo for the Sunday service or Friday service. Kaya kung tutuusin ang mga ginawa natin sa lupa, dapat nangungunad. Doon yung paglilingkod sa Diyos. You want to fellowship with Jesus. Do the work of the church because Jesus is the head of the church. And everyone that serves in the church is serving side by side with Jesus, who is continuously heading this church.